Welcome. This is my 1996 F150 that I drove in high school. It has sat for years in disarray. This is its revival. Here we're installing the passenger rear A-pillar trim piece, the seat belt, as well as the speaker. Here we're installing the driver rear A-pillar trim, the seat belt, and the speaker as well. We're now installing the front A-pillar trim pieces. Here I'm reinstalling the headliner. We're now installing the rest of the upper trim pieces. We're installing the passenger kick panel. We are installing one of the two scuff plates. Here's the driver kick panel. I finished the rest off camera. This is how she looks mostly complete. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more content.